I've been thinking for a while now about a quick way to say this, so here it comes. Voxme Amazon Cloud Move Management System, called MFC, is now available for everybody. Over the last 2 years, we've migrated hundreds of companies from various servers over to the cloud and learned to do this quickly, reliably, and within an affordable budget. And these features came to be appreciated by those who have been forced to set up their own shop quickly, and the existing clients who have been using our mobile apps for a while and then decided to expand their digital footprint. And you're welcome to come and check out these new capabilities by yourself by visiting our booth at IAM 2020, joining a webinar, or reaching out to us directly.
Voxme Estimator was being crafted for 17 years to replace paper cube sheet and calculator. Technological advancement allowed the estimator to help surveyors to replace camera, fax, printer, and, in combination with Voxme Virtual Survey, an office, a car, and a plane. The only thing it can't replace is professional intuition, and Voxme Estimator is the choice of true professionals. The estimator can be used standalone or in combination with MFC, integrated with MoveWare, Relo Assist, Red Sky, AGP, and more. Come visit our virtual booth and pick a suitable setup.
Hi guys, my name is Edith. I'm Product Support Specialist at Voxme. Today, my job is to give you a short description what is virtual survey. In fact, it's a video chat with a cloud recording which is instantly available for the surveyor from anywhere. Affordable prices with a good quality coupled with the pandemics have allowed us to gain a lot of experience in the implementation, support, and the training for the service. After PO is paid, the implementation won't take more than 3 days. Most of our clients manage to handle the process on their own. However, Voxme staff is always available for help. Looks like I managed to limit my story in 1 minute. After becoming a Voxme client, you will find out that I have no limits when it comes to the support, and we will work together till you love the project and forget how you can get by without it. Promised.
My English is not good, and I know it. Voxme Inventory solved this issue and helped to create inventory list in English that customer agree to sign. Voxme Electronic Inventory also contain photo of damages, electronic appliances serial numbers. This help to prevent insurance claims, customs, and security problem. Come, look, and see how Voxme turn inventory to everyday routine for your company.